You said you want to go to the shop.
Yes, come to me.
Yeah, go alone. I'm not going to go with you.
Oh.
You go and buy something.
I'm standing here.
I want to see something when you
Listen,
come.
officer, no one is fighting with anyone. That is waiting. No one is fighting with anyone. When you see the person is fighting.
Yes.
No.
You talk too much. No. If you want to join the crowd, they're
No,
there.
I say, if someone is fighting, when is
No, iphoyisa la liyasivimba lithi asibuyele imashini ene sisuka lesize emashop soyithengela ene siyimele la uthi asuke la siye emashini for in because siyimele la asiphazamisa umuntu asilwi namuntu waye efika la ethi asuke la sisukela for what la because siyimele la ashayi umuntu no, ayikho into wrong esiyenzayo just siyimele la because yena uyiphoyisa usebenzisa ipower
ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi abantu abangene labona bangene ngokumthetho nabo bahijacking abangenanga right bakhipha abantu without eviction letter bangena bayithatha flat ngiyangithola so njengoba bona bakwazi ukukhipha abantu illegally babakhipha babahlala ngaphandle bona uphi umthetho obalandelile ukuthi bangene la
thina basikhipha thina bakhipha thina abantu bala ama-citizen why bona bangakhiphi
so uyabona yile into ngifuna
ukubuza ukubuza futhi iphoyisa belikhuluma lothi isherifi yiyo nepower thina sinapower thina njengama-citizen because isherifi ifana njengathi
sikhathela ngama-foreigner ezweni lethu ajampa ama-border gate eze e-South Africa afike azosebenza lokho thina abantu base-South Africa singasebenzi and enye into ugovernment ayenzayo uthi e-South Africa akuhanje nge-age but le emazweni angaphandle uma ezosebenza la akwami nge-age Ramaphosa sicela ushintsha ukwenza bafo sikhathele manje sikhathele si-South Africa yikho manje sisezitratweni silwela amalungelo wethu abantwana bethu basezikolweni bayabhema abazali abasebenzi and ezikolweni kuvuleke namasonto abantu bangaphandle uyephi president
so mabahambe babuyele emazweni wabo ugovernment wabo akadeploy amaphoyisa wabo or abasoja wabo bazothatha wonke la makwerekwere agcwele la sikhathele yibo sick and tired la makwerekwere
ngizwa ngathi amaphoyisa asebenza against
yeah amaphoyisa asebenza against thina amaphoyisa wase South Africa amakwerekwere nawo self because asebenza against thina so we are saying wazamkhwanazi uzospreada eJohannesburg wazamkhwanazi uzosiza
bangene la illegally basithathela izindlu bathatha konke ukuthi nemisebenzi yethu thina ama South Africa sisenamisebenzi ngenxa yabo abahambe namhlanje sobadudula nasiyongena emafletini sibakhiphe kuhlala ama South Africa khona la emafletini indawo yethu le maphume bahambe babuyele emakubo nathi silwa negovernment yethu nabo mabahambe bayelwa nama-government wala bahlala khona ukuze nabo babalungisele ngendlela kade sifuna ukuthi basilungisele ngayo
lo ANC lo government ngowe-ANC akalweli thina e-South Africa so singama-South Africa siphakamile namhlanje sizophakama kwabiphi sizophakama ngoba yena ufavor ama-foreigners so thina sizofuna ugovernment ozobamela intetho yethu ugovernment ozosimela xa kunzima kula maxesha ngoba yonke into yonke into yama-foreigner sizovala izikolo zama-foreigner sizoya asikayigqibi le nto siyiqalile nje asikayigqibi
President.